Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Hi guys! Megan, are you hungry? Yes. Then let's make sushi. First, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Next, we're going to add half a tablespoon of sesame oil. Now we just gotta mix it in very well. Today we're gonna be making California rolls, and we'll be needing cucumbers, avocados, and crab, and we'll need Japanese mayo and seaweed. Now let's start. We're gonna put some rice on our thing, and Megan, I'll help you with the rice. Okay. Megan, are you excited to have some? Okay. Here you go. Now I'm going to add cucumber. And then crab. Can you please help me? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Mom, are you excited?
Oh, I'm very excited. I don't know which one I'm gonna try first.
Me neither. Can somebody try mine because I'm only not the winner? It's okay. I'll try yours. Okay. Do you need some help? Okay. This is the tricky part to roll. All done rolling. Now we're gonna cut it up. This looks amazing. Let's pour some soy sauce and then we can have some. Thank you. Nice, doesn't it look delicious? I'm waiting to try. Let's have some. I'm gonna eat some. Isn't this delicious, man? Yes. And the best part, we made it all by ourselves, right? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time. Bye!